the deal, gang? How you guys doing? How's everybody doing? What's up? Welcome to the Sunday private session. You guys can open up your cams, open up your mics if you want. I hopped in here because I'm looking at a few things. I'm thinking we can have some possible entries here. I'm just looking to map out where it would make sense for a top wick. I think this 46.3 area is pretty legitimate here. I want to see if we ever drove off of it. Yeah, we have. And this is China open. So we have 1 minute to go here. The 4 hour, that's what I'm a bit afraid of, this level here on the 4 hour. This might be a quick position. We might not even have one. Let's see how we close here. Shoot. Okay, let's see how we close. I want to see, we might close above 46.3 here, and if we do that, we're waiting on 46.8. Okay, so we're looking at this level really right here. We might close up above there too. I wonder if we go straight up here, but it's closing below the most recent, which tells me it's gonna have a wick to fill. Lock in, gang. We might have positions here soon. 10, 9, 8, 7. A bit higher. Yeah, that might be it. I need it higher. Oof. Chat, let's take a sell right here. Wow, a lot of range. Just took a sell 48.6. Looking for it to come down here. Ooh, I'm gonna close full right there, gang. Right on the flip, I'm gonna close full. Sorry, it just happened too quick, so I didn't really post it here, but 48.6 right there, that was the entry. One of my positions got activated a bit late, but it's all right. I closed full. I'll give you a full count on that. If you're in there and you have the 5-minute rule, just make sure your stops are at BE, because this is a level the 4 hour has driven up from pretty heavily. So I think there's a chance that's why I closed on the flip. There's a chance it flips and doesn't go and just continues up, right? Because if we look back here, where was I looking at? I think right here. You see this? We wicked into the same areas, and then this candle never, even though it closed below the most recent, it flipped for a split second here and then went straight back up. So you don't want that to happen to you here. So let's go to the current price, and you see that's what it's kind of doing. It flipped and went straight back up. Great. So we made 15.5 pips on that. Okay, perfect. Yeah, I think that was a perfect closure. So we're not playing the wick here. We can, if we come back up, retest this level again, and then we can look for another entry if it never drives here. All right, but I think if we break the highs, we'd rather wait for this 4 hour to close, because look at the 4 hour. It's a doji candle, right? It's getting close to a doji candle. So at this point, I think we're gonna wait this hourly through. You're in a trade? No, we just took one. We just took 15 pips. I hopped on here a few minutes before 8 because I saw it setting up. I think it's on our best interest here, from my perspective, to wait this 4-hour out, right? Because since we opened today, since the market opened, it's created this indecision candle. It pulled up, grabbed orders, drove down, and now we're right back in the same spot where this week opened. People at the Zoom door. Yep, Eddie. Gotcha. Gotcha. So, all right. Got to trade in. We might have more positions, but I think a lot will depend on, like, this 4-hour closure will probably determine if we have positions on the next hourly. My throat is killing me. Hold on a second, gang. Yeah, I freaking lost my voice. I didn't even lose my voice, you know. I went to the gym yesterday, and then I walked out of the gym, and I couldn't swallow. Like, it was painful to swallow. So typically when that happens, you pop a Motrin, take an anti-inflammatory, and it'll go away within a half hour. But I took 4 Motrin, and I was like, God damn, I take any more Motrin, it's gonna be my last headache. So I went to my last throat ache. I went to the ER, and they gave me a steroid shot, and then they gave me antibiotics, and then they gave me some antacids. My throat's been killing me. It hurts talking. But good thing is, we already got a W. Yo, that's win number 347, by the way. Hold on a second, chat. I'm gonna mark off the pips in here right now. Sorry, gang. I got a live studio audience, and apparently people think it's alright to like walk in here crowd-wise. Like a whole crowd just stormed in here. It's like, no, you guys gotta go. Can't be in here. That's where the magic happens. People at the Zoom door, yeah, people at the Zoom door, people at my door. Yeah, I think if you were in that last trade and you're on a funded account or you're on top one, you probably hit a BE. Yo, Eddie, I'll never understand. What is E8? Is that an error code? It's like an upside down 83. I think that's an error code. Say that again, Eddie. It says E8. Oh, not on your name, on the AC. I said, what does E8 mean? Yeah. I put it in here. I'm trying to put it in cold. Bro. I don't fucking know. Yeah, no, it doesn't say it in the front. Oh, it's bro. Tell you right now. It's I'll tell you right now. Hold on. It's agree. I don't know. I gotta check it out. Fuck. Hold. I'm looking for a manual. Hold on. Alright, yeah. It's blowing cold air, but it's giving me an error code. It says E8. I can't find the damn. I think maybe a sensor just resetting or something. No. Yeah. I think that's what's happening. Yeah, you're probably right. Because it does feel like it's working at a lower speed. Damn, this is wild. Look at that. Great closures. Never even came back to those areas. Asian does this a lot. Yeah, look what time this happened. This Asian session, this 8, 9. This is the same candle right here. We're literally in the same spot and it's doing the same thing right here. Look. Same exact time. What was that? That wasn't a Sunday, was it? No, it was a Wednesday midweek, but did the same exact thing here. It just does this at Asian. Asian's funky like this. Yeah, New York, you're driving through. Asian, you're like, oh, no, daily just opened up. We're going to come back the other way, create a steeper wick. Because you figure you created a top wick already. Like, if you go to the daily, hold on, let's go. Right, you created a top wick before this and came down. Hold on, let's go to the hourly. Yeah, it came up first, went down, and now it's coming back up. Shit, we might have buys here pretty soon. It's pushing, but I'm not too confident in this push up just yet. Because a lot will have to do with the closure. These are levels where the market just plummets down from. You see across the board here? Oh, we didn't, this is one error. We didn't even draw up our levels here. It's kind of like the lowest common denominator right here. It's an area, right? We just come up into here and just plummet down, so. Trying to see if I would take a sell here if it was the other way. And I don't know if I would. Let's see what happens. 26.55 sells? No, definitely not. I think we might end up riding up here to 62 areas. Doesn't make sense to have this strong of a rejection here just to top out at 55. We already had a wick to these areas to 53, try to drive, tap the 4-hour support, strong support coming up, right? So let's think of this in terms of timing. There's 34 minutes here, but like if it was like 10-15 minutes to go, we're expecting the next 4-hour to continue pushing up unless this closes with no top wick. So let's see how this closes. Let's see how this 30 closes. We might have positions on the next 30. A lot will depend on this closure and the opening of the next candle. I think if this leaves us some room, some range, we can take advantage of it. Well, look at the weekly. The weekly held bullish. God damn, we did all of that last week. I just don't see the next candle here. I just don't see the next candle here doing this. If it does, it's going to be like this. On a buy? Yeah, it makes sense somewhere around 55 flat. I'm sorry, 54 flat right here. Yeah. 5, yeah. 54,291. Is that your entry? 54.3. Right here. Just above. Mhm. Makes sense. Yeah. You're from the future. Damn. It might just come up from here. I think I'd want it a bit lower. Damn, it could be a top wick here for the 1. Yo, get off my screen here. Yeah, if we come down here, I'm gonna take about to 82.8 area, 82.9. I think that's where I would want to look for a possible buy, even if we start breaking back down here. I think it's gonna come up here, fill this wick partially. It's kind of weird on the 1, right? Like you're forming a top wick here for the 1. Alright, chat, I'm gonna take a buy right here. So just took a buy. Not that great of an entry, 53.5. Why did I think? Oh, because my spread, that's what it is. Sorry, I took a buy here, but it looked like it was here, but my spread's at like 4, so it came out to like 53.5. Take a buy right here, right where we are, 52.6. Just took another buy. 52.6. Chat. I'm gonna close out my initial entry, and I'm gonna close full here actually. Not too many pips. I don't know if I trust this flip here. I think there's a good chance we come down. I took about 15 pips there on all 4 entries. Not a lot, just kind of scalping it. This isn't a high quality move. like I can play the range here, but this wasn't a really high quality move here. I think the 4 hour is really the higher quality move. Once we get the confirmation that this 1 hour is not going to reflip bearish, or that it's going to close above the range. It's more of an experience move to see where I can get what, but you got to be really quick within these ranges because this is really an indecision area. Yeah, I made like, yeah, I got 12 pips on there. I was like, this is really, yeah, you tap these areas. Once you come back up to this flip, or to our initial entry, you gotta, so our initial entry is at a level, right? There's a reason we take the entry there. It's a level it drives from. But because that's a level it drives from, if it breaks down here, it can come up. This is your level to manage risk. It'll come up here to our initial entry and then break down if it does break down. And in these situations where we're not in a trending market, or we're actually in a trending market, in a bearish trending market, but we're taking buys here, right? I'd rather just play this little range and that's it, because there's a chance this comes back down, and if it does come back down, it's going to be a heavy drop. So wouldn't you rather play the drop, get what you can here, the small mini range, and then play the drop when it does happen? And if it doesn't drop and it comes up here, then you're going to get the 4 hour closure. Right. The issue is, like, look at this drop that's been happening here. You would rather be playing the sells here, or you would rather be playing the 4 hour or the hourly after you've retested the lows here again. So you'd want the market to come back down here, come up here, come back down here, and then you want to play the buys. It's kind of did that though here on the hourly and the 30, right? It's come up, come down, refilled the range. Now there's a chance for it to start to drive the other way. Oh, there it goes. I think the 4 hours is better, is a higher quality position. Give me 1 second, chat. Zoom door, come in. Sorry, gang, I got my kids here. You guys want to wave? Yay! Nice wave. The third one's doing a school project, so she's unavailable. All right, there you see. Eddie was waving to you. You missed it.
Me?
To you? I don't know. To who? To both of you. Alright, let's update our record here. Hold on. Hold on, let's update it. I think I've let everybody in the Zoom, whoever was there. I think, chat, we're gonna do, if we don't get nothing for the 4 hour, because the 4 hour we might get like a doji candle or a really weak 4 hour, and if that's the case, I think we'll do a giveaway at around that time. So maybe around 9:10, 9:15, in about a half hour, we'll do a giveaway. And that'll give us a chance to watch the 4 hour through. Hold on, I gotta update the stream record, right? It's 3:48 now. Why what? Why am I updating it? Because we won. How much? 15 pips, 12 pips, 27 pips total. Come on in, Sam. Welcome to the Zoom. Yeah, chat, you got about, yeah, just looking at it, you got about 20 minutes here. It's coming back down, huh? Let's get rid of this, let's get rid of this, let's get rid of this. We don't really need that. The key here will be the 4 hour closure, and we'll base what we do on this 4 hour closure. So if you got something to do for the next 15-20 minutes, go do it. If you have any questions, anything you want to talk about, we can talk about it here. Ooh, more people at the Zoom door. Yeah, I gotta admit. Kenny heard about the giveaway. He was like, on my way. Bet. Kenny. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know if it's a 1-step or a 2-step. Honestly, I'm not sure. I think they're doing, they're doing like a $5,000 account for like $5. Where did you get this? Where did you get it? Give me. It's not there. That's Lily's. I don't know. Don't touch it.
I never had $1 before.
You never had $1? Because every time you're asked if you want money or a toy, you choose the toy. That's why you never had the $1 before. You got money? Yeah, because you learned your lesson. Yeah, lesson. It's a school night. Yo, this is not a rave. What are you doing? When are we gonna go to bed? When I do a giveaway here, and then I'm gonna go put you to bed. What do you guys want to watch for bedtime? Halloween or The Poltergeist? Or The Exorcist? How about The Shining? No? Blair Witch Project? Alright, well, you'll have a choice. Let's do either The Exorcist or The Ring. Which one? Or Jeepers Creepers. What do you want to watch? It's the best bedtime movie of all time. Keepers. Yeah.
Creepers. I love keepers. Creepers.
Yep.
I don't want anything. Me too.
I'm gonna go to bed.
I want to go
Hey, that's not bad. Hold on. No, just I'm gonna step outside for 1 second, cause I gotta do the damn thing, and I'm gonna go smoke for a sec, and I gotta make sure that you don't press any of these blue or red buttons. What do you mean, what blue and red buttons? That's the whole point. You shouldn't need to know what blue and red. Where? Step away here. Step away from here. They don't exist as long as you don't press them. No, the blue and red button right there on the screen. You see that? What is that? What number is that? Right there. What number is that?
on the top.
Yeah. 20. No, that's lot size. What number is that? Right here. Yeah, right there.
Blue one.
On the blue one, boom. And what number? This is on the red one. You see these big numbers? 2652. Okay, so if you press one of those, that 20. So when you press one of these buttons, that 20 becomes 200. 200. And then every time this little thing moves right here, that 200 becomes either 400, 500, or it can become a 0 or a minus, and then you lose that, you know, whatever it is, 200, 400, 500. So we don't want to lose it. You know, she gave up on the explanation. She literally hasn't, like, mid-sentence, she turned around, she went to her sister, she's like, Kai, let's go to bed. You gave up on my explanation. You just said, yeah, whatever. She, mid-sentence, she didn't even say whatever. She just turned around, went, Kai, let's go to bed. She went to her sister.
How dare you? How dare you do that?
When are we gonna go to bed? As soon as I do a giveaway. I gotta give away an account here, and then we go to bed. No, wait. I'm not going yet. Hold on, chat. I'm gonna step outside. No, I don't know. I didn't see. Give me 2 minutes. You can leave it like this. Here, you can look at it. Sorry, I had to close the screen because my kids are in front of the computer. They'll be doing wild shit. 10 minutes here for the 4 hour. How many people we got in the Zoom? 27. All right, yeah, hold on. Maybe we'll do a giveaway earlier. I want to give everybody a chance to hop on here. I think some people haven't gotten here yet. Yeah, let's do it after the 4 hour close. Pretty good closure on our part both times. At the bottom over here and at the top over there. Just don't want this 4 hour looking like this 2 hour looks right now. I used to do that and my stream would crash. If I would fuck around with the Zoom like that and go through 2 screens. I figured if it happens right now, it's alright. Let me just test it out. Living life on the edge. You don't hear the music, do you? Then I haven't figured it out. Honestly, I haven't even fucked around. I haven't even looked, I haven't tried, I haven't done nothing. Hold on. I think it's just the setting to like the input where in the mixer the Zoom is getting its sound. From which part of the mixer, and I think somewhere in there it's coming through both, where in the mixer 2 things are turned on and sent to Zoom. More people at the door. I don't know. Kenny said 10 minutes. Yeah, I just don't see a situation here where the next 4 hour doesn't make a top wick. Based on the way every other time frame has printed here. I expect a top wick on the next 4 hour. The key will be, do we get a bottom wick first or do we just come up first? All right, we got 100 seconds here before this 4 hour close, before the 1 hour is up. All right, there we go. Kenny in the building, Sam in the building for like the third time. Thirty seconds here, gang. No, our final momentum here, I guess, if you want, if we can call it that, to close out this hourly has been bullish. So, chance we come up here first, but where can we look for buys if we come down? I think I had it mapped out earlier. Date here. $52.3. Chat 52.4 will be the area. Okay, I'll tell you when I take a position here. I need a bit of a steeper wick here. Alright, let's take a buy right here. Right where we are. Just took a buy right off that line. Might drop further, and the next support will be if it does drop further. Yeah, 51.5 here. Should have looked at it earlier, but 51.5 would make sense. We just need a flip here. We need a rebreak of the current candle high. What I will say though, chat, move stops to BE here. If it comes back down further, great, but move stops to break even. Once it breaks its own high, I'll probably close partials, maybe even full. And if it comes back down to our entry, we will look for a different entry. It's okay, but my stops are at a break even now. This is, I don't know what the fuck is going on here, but this is a risk-free trade now. Right, so house money, we flip, great. We come back down, grab more orders, no harm, no foul. Just looking to re-break the current candle high to start securing profits. There we go, I'm gonna close half my position here. All right. Well, close one of the two. My second position, so right, we have two positions on here. And my second position is still running, red break even. Let's see if we can come up a bit. Come up a bit means to fill the wick, right? If we look at it on the 1 hour. Might not be the time yet, but we'll see. We'll see if it's got enough juice here. $55, right? We're looking to see 55 flat here, really, around that area. 54.8. But another W. See the spreads widening, so maybe volume coming in here for a small little push. You know, it gives me 3-4 more pips, so I'm gonna take it because I'll take it at the top of this candle right here, even. Actually, you know what? Fuck it. 55 or break even here. Let's go. Let's do that. It shouldn't have a problem getting 10 more pips to the upside. The issue would be, will it come back down first, take us out, and then do that? Oh, there we go. Just took us out. Is it me or my price is a bit different? I think my entry here was right here. 50. Yeah, my entry was right here. But it took me out here. It took my runner out. It's okay. I think I grabbed 8 or 9 pips on there. Yep, 9 pips. I mean, it's in a range. It's not moving too great, right? We took advantage of what we could. Could have came up here on the hourly, right, to fill the wick. I guess it wants to grab more orders. I'm just not willing to risk the rest of that candle. My throat is killing me too. Hold on a second, gang. People at the door. Come on in. Okay, you know what? Let's do a giveaway now. Can everybody just drop their own name in the chat? Oh, you guys already did it. Okay. Perfect. Let's get ChatGPT up on the phone. Let's phone a friend. Use our lifeline. Is that it? I think that's everybody, right? Because there's supposed to be, there's 30 of us on the Zoom, so there should be 29 people eligible here. Oh, there we go. More people commenting. All right. If you have not put your name in the Zoom chat, this is your last call. Put your name in the Zoom chat. All right. That's it. Okay. Alright, gang. So this is what we're gonna do. What the fuck is going on here? No, 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 no. This is what we need. Oh, okay, I got it. This makes sense? It's a list of names from Zoom chat. I'm doing a giveaway. You pick a winner from this chat. Make sure everyone gets one entry. Show me the list. Yeah, I know a lot of people have money today on the Lions. It's crazy. but not against Buffalo. Buffalo is a beast of a team. Buffalo's a really good team. All right, let's run. Let's run this. It's going to give us a list of names. Hopefully they're all there. Nah, that ain't Eddie. I can't give that to you. There's 6 names. Oh, there isn't 6 names. There's only 20. So 20 people put their names on the list. Eddie's a winner. W. No, it's not. You about right. 6. I saw this and I was like, wait a minute. It only counted 6 names? That's impossible. And then I didn't realize there was a whole list right here. I think everybody's in there, right? Nah, I thought it was only 6 names. I thought it didn't get everybody, but I got everybody. So yeah, Eddie wins. W. Send me your full name in the DM me on IG. Send me your full name and your email, so I get that over to them, and then they'll send you the credentials. I mean, it's 25K. It's still nice, but it's only 25K, so go crazy on it. Do whatever you got to do. W. Kenny won last week, right? Or the week before that. And then we had Yanil won like twice already. Oh, it wasn't even this one. You won the one where it's like 500-600 entries. No, like 200 entries. Not even like 30. There was only 20 today. Yeah. That's true. That's true. Alright, yeah, just DM it to me. Hold on, let's get this off the screen. It's irrelevant now. The 4 hours flipped here. The hourly's finally, well, again. Flipped again. I really see it filling this wick up. I just wasn't taking that chance on the rebreak at a low. Stuck in a range. Yeah, honestly, I think I'm just gonna call it a session here. My throat's killing me. We're gonna run a live stream tomorrow, 8 a.m. Right? We gotta get ready for tomorrow, and we took 3 trades here, well, 3 individual breakdowns, right? So we got some pips. We didn't quite get to 50 tonight, or the 70 that we got used to on the weekends, but yeah, still got some good pippage, right? Yeah, 36 pips, 37 pips, yeah, 36. Yeah, I'm gonna go take my antibiotic and go put the kids to bed and fall asleep myself. Maybe smoke the rest of the J. It's not that great for my throat though. All right, congrats, Eddie. Thank you guys for showing up. Congrats to everybody that took some dubs with us today. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. All right. You guys can relax for tonight too. I'm not gonna look for any more positions tonight. I'm not feeling that great. My throat hurts. So yeah, I'm gonna go get knocked. All right. Wait, who's in the chat? Oh, W. Yeah. All right. Yep. Congrats, Eddie. Shout out to all of you for showing up tonight. Appreciate you guys. But I'm gonna call it a session here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. Have a good night, everybody.